Yo, 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 what's up, Dope Chasers? I am trying this again. I was on IG Live, and I tried to, do Facebook Live at the same time. But this device right here, these things suck, okay? I don't know how my wife was able to do this before, but the Galaxy S7 Edge, it's a headache. Anyway, how's everybody doing? What we're going to be talking about is why you should never pay charge-offs. Just a disclaimer, I'm not saying that you should never pay charge-offs. What I want to talk about will be 3 particular reasons why you should rethink the way you pay charge-offs. How about that? That's going to be the title of this. 3 particular reasons why you should rethink paying charge-offs, okay? So what's up, Lamar? What's up, Casey? How y'all doing? Thank y'all for being here with me this evening. So again, I'm going to talk about 3 particular reasons why you should rethink paying charge-offs. Let me write this down really quick because I like that title. Let me see. 3 particular reasons why you should rethink paying charge-offs. Rethink paying charge-offs. I come up with some genius stuff on the fly. So I appreciate all of you who are with me. All right, I'm just kidding. I'm feeling myself right now. So, one thing I want to tell you before I get started is I'm going to be going live, try to go live at least one time throughout the evening or throughout the day. And the reason being is we are introducing a new service in our company called Transcend Financial Academy. And this is basically going to give everyone an opportunity to learn from me how to, 1, repair your credit, how to boost your credit, how to fix your finances. And when I say fix your finances, I'm talking about budgeting, restructuring your banking, putting together a spending plan, developing the Dough Chaser mindset, how to prepare and buy your first home. We're going to talk about how to obtain business credit. We're going to talk about how to start your first business, entrepreneurship, a lot of great things I'm going to be introducing and sharing with you all in Transcend Financial Academy. And that's because I want to do a better job of fulfilling our mission, okay? Because we offer financial coaching and credit repair services, our credit repair service is a done-for-you service, right? And a lot of people are unable to afford our monthly payment when it comes to helping them fix the credit, right? So I don't want to be the guy who only helps people that can, I don't want to be the guy that can only help people that can afford large payments. I want to be the guy that helps people, everyone in our community who is who's working. I want to give you all the opportunity to get our information so that if you can't hire us for a done-for-you service, you can at least, use our information to take you to the next level. It's all about transcending financially, okay? Casey said, nice. I appreciate that, brother. We're talking about 3 particular reasons why you should rethink paying charge-offs. The first reason, when you think about a charge-off account is an account that has been given up on by the original creditor. Hey, Audrey? Yes. Can you shut that door for me, please? No worries, no worries. A charge-off is an account that the original creditor has given up on. And basically, after 180 days of being unable to collect the account, the original creditor would charge it off. And they would deem it non-collectible, okay? From that point, a couple things may happen. They may either try to sue you or, 3 things may happen. They're going to either try to sue you, they're going to sell the debt to a debt collector, or they're just going to push it to the side and deem it as uncollectible and just move on, okay? However, that charge-off is going to have a negative impact on your credit report, okay? And typically within the 36-month time frame, accounts that are reported on your credit report have a tremendous impact on your credit. However, once they exceed that 36-month time frame, and I'm talking about the derogatory information, once that derogatory information is 36 months old, it begins to have a less of an impact on your credit score, and really, in my opinion, shouldn't be the priority when it comes to fixing your credit. But that's another story, okay? So let's say that you are in a position where you are, making more money, you're putting more money away, and you want to make some moves with your credit. However, you have these charge-offs on your credit report that are hurting your ability to gain creditworthiness, okay? And you want to pay them. A lot of times what people will do is they'll go in and contact the company and say, hey, let's make this arrangement so I can pay this account off and get this taken care of. But what happens is by you paying an old charge-off, what's going to happen is something called date of last activity. That's going to become more recent, okay? And date of last activity is basically something where they're able to compute how much of an impact that derogatory account will have on your credit report. Okay, so remember, after 36 months, it doesn't have such a huge impact on your credit. However, by you paying that account, that old charge-off will now look more like a recent charge-off, okay? Because an account that's 5 years old is now, the date of last activity is yesterday, so that is now a more recent derogatory account. And what happens, the second reason why you should rethink paying charge-offs is your credit score drops 50 points. So you're looking to make moves, but what ends up happening is you shoot yourself in the foot, because not only did you restart the date of last activity, which is going to cause your account to wait another 7 years and 180 days for it to remove off your credit report automatically, but your credit score just dropped 50 points because you paid this account. Now you're not even close to being creditworthy because this account has caused your credit score to drop tremendously, okay? So the two reasons so far is it restarts the date of last activity, which will cause, it could even be more than 50 points, Casey. I'm just being nice. The date of last activity, which will be re-aged, it seems like a more recent derogatory account, and that will cause it, cause you to have to wait another 7 years and 180 days, because remember, accounts fall off 7 years and 180 days from date of last activity, okay? So if you were at year 5, you only had 2 more years for it to fall off your credit report. But due to the fact that you paid that charge off, now you have to wait another 7 years and 180 days to get it removed automatically, okay? And your credit score just dropped maybe 50 points, okay? So those are two particular reasons why you may want to rethink paying the charge-offs, right? And the last particular reason is, a lot of people, when they're paying these accounts, they're looking forward to improve their creditworthiness. And they'll pay the account, but, it remains on their credit report, which is one reason why it causes your credit score to drop. So because you're not negotiating, you're just paying the account, you're shooting yourself in the foot again, because you just allowed this account to stay on your credit report this extra time when you should have negotiated either a payment for deletion or some kind of settlement, okay? And not just any settlement, but you want to negotiate either a payment in full, all right? So a payment for deletion, if you pay the account after the payment, you want to get that removed, okay? That's going to allow you to get that account removed. However, not all creditors will accept a payment for deletion. So the fact that you're trying to improve your creditworthiness, but you need to, get it as a paid status, you want to at least negotiate a payment in full, okay? A settlement in full, excuse me. And the difference between a regular settlement and a settlement in full is, if I owe Capital One $5,000, okay, and it's in the charged off status, I pay them $2,500. They will accept that $2,500, right? But the remaining $2,500, they will sell to a debt collector, and the debt collector will try to pursue you for that balance, right? So you're paying this account, trying to take care of it. You end up settling the account, and you think it's done. And the next thing you know, you get a letter in the mail from ABC Collection Company saying, hey, you owe us $2,500 for this Capital One balance. How are you going to feel? You're going to be discouraged, distraught, and you're probably going to want to, smack somebody in the face. All right. But of course you can't do that because, you get locked up. I don't want you to get locked up. Okay. But by negotiating a settlement in full, what you're doing is saying, hey, I'm going to pay you $2,500, But what you are agreeing to is that this is going to satisfy the full balance, okay? That means that you cannot sell this remaining balance to anyone. And a lot of times people don't do that. So, I just want to share this information so that you can begin to rethink your strategy. And a lot of times people will have the best intentions, but will go about it the wrong way. And they end up shooting themselves in the foot and resulting in a worse credit score and a worse position, okay? So the reason I'm sharing this information is to, let you all know, those of you who are interested in, learning how to fix your own credit. In our Transcend Financial Academy, I actually share how to negotiate a payment for deletion or a settlement in full in regards to a charge-off. I basically share the right strategy to attack a charged-off account. And if you are someone where you would like to learn that information, what I have associated to this video is a link, and this is our first to know list. If you are interested in becoming a part of our academy, of course it's going to be very affordable. But this Sunday I'm going to make it available to the public, our credit repair course, and I want you to be on that list because I'm also going to offer a deal. Okay, and give me one quick second so I can provide that information in the comment area as well. But in the description of this video, you can actually get on that first to know list. So as soon as it's available Sunday, you will have the opportunity to join the actual academy and learn how to attack your charged off accounts, learn how to dispute derogatory accounts. I'm going to provide dispute letters that will help you, attack late payments, collections, everything, right? And I just want you all to have that information. And I'm feeling real good about this because it's going to be able to help a lot of people who are unable to afford our done-for-you credit repair service, okay? So let me see what kind of questions we have here. Casey said, good thing I left that alone. That's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy, man. All right. What you call about... Okay, so Paula is asking... So this is funny because somebody asked the same question on IG, and they were asking, is it okay to call about a charge-off? Will that restart the date of last activity? If I'm understanding you correctly, Paula, are you worried about calling the company and them because if that's the case, you don't have to worry about that. By you calling and getting more information about your charged-off accounts, that's not going to restart the date of last activity. What restarts the date of last activity is making a payment arrangement or paying on the account because that's going to be activity on your account. You getting information does not count for activity, all right? So don't worry about that. But again, if you are someone where you want to be on our first to know list, and when we offer the credit repair course this Sunday, I'm going to email everyone on this list to make you aware of the actual program, and we're going to offer early bird pricing, okay? It's going to be very affordable, so I want you all to understand that. It's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. Our courses will definitely be under $100, and for those of you who won't be able to afford the one-time payment, we will offer installment payments on the actual courses as well, okay? So it's going to be it's going to be great, okay? But let me get this link really quick so I can put this in the comment area because I know some of you want to get on there. And right now I'm adding that. There we go. All right, so that information is now in the comment area as well. It's also in the description of this video. If you are interested in getting on our first to know list, make sure you click that link, provide your information. And then this Sunday, when the course is available, I'll make sure to email you our early bird pricing and also more information about the course. And if you want to, you can take advantage of it. If you don't, it will always be here for you in the future, okay? Do I have any questions, concerns, opportunities, anything, okay? If you are someone who is a part of our actual credit repair program, if you have any questions or concerns regarding your account, our office closes this evening at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Our number is 419-824-0004. We have support staff here, and they'll be able to assist you. If you are someone who is interested in learning more or getting more information about our Transcend Financial Academy, This Sunday, we're going to be offering the credit repair course. And, one of the topics that I'm going to be attacking is, paying charge-offs and the correct approach when getting those removed off your credit report. We're going to be talking about a lot of information. And throughout the week, I'm going to be sharing more information about the program and, information to help you, transcend financially. Okay. Audrey says, great information, boss. Monday is going to be a busy day at Witness Riches. You know it. You know it. All right. So what I want to do is I want to thank you all for the opportunity to share my knowledge. Without you, I would not be here, and I'm truly grateful. And because I'm grateful, every opportunity that I have to educate you or to help you when it comes to your credit, I'm going to give it my all. Okay, I'm going to prove to you why. I'm going to prove to you my ability, and also, validate why you have trusted me and my organization. So thank you again. Make sure you click that link, get on our first to know list. And this Sunday, I'm going to provide you with information so that you can take advantage of our early bird pricing for our credit repair program, our credit repair course. And, we're going to go from there, okay? So, again, my name is Jason White, CEO and founder of Witness Riches. And you all have a wonderful evening. I'm out. Peace.